major surgeries today. I hope it goes okay. I swear to God I tried to call but couldn't find the words to say. My head is desolate inside, left to tread the line between the weight of indecision and the effort left to try. I know you're dead on the inside, I can't dry my eyes. Disdain is different in this life, 'cause this could have been my life. I can't find the road that I'm taking. I can't hide the fact that I'm breaking down. I hate the state that you stayed in. Hell if I know what I meant, then bury my bones with this sense of town. You said the kids are growing up, your undertone was rough. I swear the